people.
Keep the seed.
Okay, we're done. So we are going to go through this paper. Okay.
You still need a sticker.
Get it later.
I haven't seen a sticker like yours.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have everyone do one. Okay, at least one. So let's start.
I'm not starting with me.
Why? This is so easy.
You have to start with me.
So okay, start from the way. So Sharon is at home facing the shopping center.
I
So
want to do it.
it's facing here. She wants to turn quiet. She wants to turn clockwise to face MRT. And what's MRT? Here. She's facing here. Okay, so she wants to go here, right? So how many degrees? 135 clockwise. That is correct. Now, why is it 135? Because from here to here is 90. It's 90, then you plus another 45. Okay, or you can look at each tiny step, right, is 45. So there are 3 steps, 45, 45, 45. 3 of them together becomes 135. Well done. Next, Bridget, what's your answer for question 26? How many more girls and boys are there? 36. Okay.
Got 36.
Okay, let's see how it works, right? Okay, wait, stop trying.
You're not even on the page.
Sit down.
Vera,
Vera, sit down. It's okay.
so that you know what's wrong.
Vera. All right, so in the cinema, the number of adults to number of girls to boys. So adults is to girls is to boys. 7 is to 9 is to 5. All right, so there are 63 adults. So this is 63. So what does this mean? This means that every one of them got to multiply by 9. Okay, times 9. Right? So how many more girls than boys are there? Now, if you multiply this by 9, you get 81. Okay, number of girls is 81. And the number of boys is 45. So what is the, okay, can you all please show this away? Go away. Distracting me. Okay, making noise also. So what is the, how many more girls and boys are there? So you take 81 divided by, sorry, not divide, minus, take away 45. 1 minus 45. We get 7, 1, 36. Answer is 36. Next. Right. Next one. So 37. Some workers are laying cement. Find the area of the car park. Angeli. No. 108. Okay, so we're gonna check this, right? 180 then. Okay, so the fastest way is to multiply the whole thing, right? Which is 12 times 14. So 14 times 12. Okay, what do you get when you take 14 times 12?
I didn't.
Wait. 168. Okay, now the area of the whole thing is 168. How about, so I need to remove this part and this part. Okay?
Is it 6 times 3?
6 times 3, 4, yeah, right. So 6 times 3, so this is 18.
Then 4 times 3.
4 times 3 is 12. So you take away 30.
I got 138.
The answer is 138.
Oh wait, that means
Okay, how is
there's
it?
enough questions.
That's what?
There's enough questions.
What do you mean? Everyone wants.
I want to go next. I skip this question.
Why?
I'm not going to. I want to do the last one.
Why?
Because my
Like this,
Okay, Ija, do you have this? Nobody knows how to do
Yeah,
this.
that's what I said. I asked her she said no.
Bread.
Because you can't have it half a bean.
How many blue bees did you have altogether?
200. No, 105.
What?
Yeah, he wrote 100 and something.
There are 105 white and blue. And then now you say there are 105 blue. So there are no white.
Yeah.
So Mrs. Lee lied when she said she had 105 white and blue.
And then there are 4 white beans. Look, there's 4 white beans. So where did they go?
Yeah, there are 4 white beans for between every 2 blue beans.
Mrs. Lee lost them.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
god.
okay.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, so
this is
Mr. C
what I'm
arrange.
saying.
Okay. Let's look at this, right? I think it's probably a bit tough. Anybody has anything for this?
No.
No answer? Anyone? Anyone? Yeah, what do you get? Sorry, say again. 0.5? No. That's not 0.5. 82.
52.
82.
52.
62.
Oh my god.
52. Okay.
Wickedy 2. Okay, let's take a look, right? So 52, right? And decimal cannot, actually. So decimal, unfortunately, shouldn't have decimal here. Okay, let's take a look at this question. Now, this is what I consider an IQ question. Now, what's the meaning of IQ question? That means you don't necessarily need to know. Yeah, you don't need like a lot of math, okay, to do this. This is like the kind of stuff that I get when I was in primary 6. Okay, this is what I mean by IQ question.
Oh, P5.
Huh? No. IQ questions, you can do it even when you're P1, P2, it doesn't matter.
EQ questions.
Alright. Yeah, so let's take a look. Yeah. So Mrs. Lee arranged 105 white blue beans in a circle. So they have to be in a circle. To make an necklace, there were 4 white beans between 2 blue. So let's draw 4 white. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 white beads between 2 blue beads. How does this look like? What does it mean?
That means just that one beat and that one.
Is it here 1 and 1?
Yeah.
Is it like this?
Yes.
Did you interpret it like this?
Yes.
Let's check with everyone. Ija,
Yeah.
did you interpret it like this?
Yes.
Oh, that's what I actually did.
Yeah,
That's what I did, but I
Anjali,
didn't.
you can interpret like this. So if this is one sequence, can you tell me what's the next sequence?
Yeah, that's the same one.
What's the next beat? Tell me the next.
White,
Blue?
white,
Is it blue?
White, white, blue.
Wait. The next one, is it blue or is it white?
White, blue.
Who said blue? Blue. 1 person say blue. 2 person say blue. 3 person say blue. 4 person say blue. So the rest all say white. 1 person say white. 2 person say white. No,
I say blue.
What about you?
no more. Right?
White.
No, you're all blue. You're the blue gang. The white gang.
No, they just gave us like a sentence instead of that.
No, Sushan said blue. Right or not?
How?
Yeah, blue said blue.
She said blue. I can read her mind. I read her mind. What?
Did she like this?
No.
No lah, she should not lah.
No.
Not.
She was like, then I got it. Yeah, blue.
She's
It's a
like,
blue.
she's like, and in one.
Yeah, it's a blue. All right. Now let me reveal the answer. Is it white or blue? The answer is we're gonna circle with a red color. Okay. The answer is the it's white. It's white.
Why?
Why would it be blue?
You know, he just said blue, and then he changed his mind. Like,
Yeah, you
No,
said
I
blue.
said blue.
He didn't change his mind.
I didn't change.
He didn't change his mind. He was saying why. So the next
So
one
this is
is
the white
white. This is a blue. Oh, the blue group. That's a white group.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. So the next sequence is what? Can you tell me what's the next sequence?
White.
White.
Then white,
Then.
Blue.
Okay. What's the next sequence?
White.
White. White. White. Blue.
Okay. What is the number of beats in one sequence? Who says 6?
Five.
No answer.
5. There are 5 beats in one group. Can you see that? Okay, now if I want to make a circle, now this thing must do. Come back here. You got it?
That's why I need really big people.
No. I mean you can imagine this one comes back here, right? So blue is fine. You got it? This one will come back here, so it's blue. Alright, so every group has got 5. So in 105, yeah, very good. You see, you all get it. So 105 divided by 5. Don't you know the song?
No.
105 divided by
What? Maybe the person made a question just like this.
equals
Or
to
maybe he's just making the song up.
E- 21.
I
You don't know the
divided by
song?
6 and then I got that.
Yeah, that's because you got the one group wrong.
I wanted to like make a
Wait. So there are 21. Wait, we're not done yet, right? So there are 21. Yeah. There are 20. There are 21 red color groups. So in one group there is one blue. So how many blue are there?
in one group there's one blue.
Yeah, one group is one blue, right? So how many blue?
30.
Huh?
21.
I just saw the picture.
21.
Yeah.
Is it-
Because
is
every
it not
group
done?
has one.
And there's one group.
No. Every group has one blue. So
Where
there are
is it?
21 groups. So there are 21 blue. Yeah, wait.
He's gonna be like this.
Wait, do you all understand? Do you understand? Is it easy to understand?
Yeah.
No.
You see?
You need to draw. Very easy.
Yeah, just need to draw, right? So
Yes, yes, no.
I like this type of question when I
No,
was
yes, no.
when I was P6, okay, because you don't really have to prepare much for this. You just go there and read the problem. Read the problem.
Use your mind.
Yeah, read the problem and then
I'm saying that we need a break.
read the problem. Next one.
Okay, when I reach 6, I'll take it.
All right, this is adjusted. What's your question? What's your answer?
I just help on the other.
You didn't.
No,
You didn't know this was very
You know
much
100.
100.
Yeah.
Find the area of A CXB. So CXB is here. 6B, right? The ratio of XY to AY is 2:3. So if this is 3 units, what is the height of XY? Do you know?
No.
10.
Yeah, very good.
Correct.
No.
So this is 10. This is 10, okay? Now, can you tell me what's the formula for the area of a triangle?
You should ask him, then you got 100.
Half times
Break.
base
Oh, base
times height.
height.
High, yeah. No,
Yeah.
he keeps saying high, yeah. So what is base?
Half,
Yeah, half times.
half
Just
times
five.
10 times 15.
My sister.
Half times 10 times. What's the height?
10, 10, 10, 15.
Is it 10 or 15?
10, 15, 18, 21.
10.
So I got it. No, it's 50.
See this?
50 cm squared.
Wait, let me copy it.
So
You
you,
think I just guess, huh?
Yes, because you don't know looking at all. Why are you looking? Because you need to show that you got the answer.
you need
You're
to.
gonna just write the answer on there in your exam.
BS.
Hey. So the base is 10 and the height is 10. Okay. So half times base times height. Half times base times height.
Humpty Dumpty had a great boy. I don't get that. Say that again.
Okay, now.
Humpty Dumpty.
All right, now, quick. Last one.
Had a great boy.
Okay, last one. There's a Hashita. What's your answer?
Wait, isn't it mine?
112.
Isn't it mine?
Okay, anybody has other answers?
112.
I said other answers.
600.
3, 4, 6.
600.
4, 0. Okay, 600. Anjali, what again? Same answer. Okay, so let's check. So we have Eddie, we have Christine, and John, right? They saved $600 altogether. Okay, enough already.
I put 600.
Wait,
Mine is 336.
Eddie saved 3 times as much as Christine. So Eddie is like 3 units, Christine is like 1 unit. Then John saved $40 more than Christine, so this 1 unit plus 40. And the entire value is 600.
Wait,
Yeah.
wait,
So you see I'm
wait,
correct.
I just realized I did.
So if we want to find the units, we take 600 minus 40.
Equals 560.
Yeah, so 560. Now 560 equivalent to how many units? 5 units. So 1 unit equals to
112.
hmm?
Divided by 512.
112.
And Chris is 1.
But that's not all.
Let's answer. Christine say 1 unit.
My name is Hurricane.
Can I have a break?
My head is
Wait. So we get this correct. Do y'all get this correct?
Yes, yes.
Everyone okay?
Yes, no, I got it. Everybody got it correct.
I mistake. I got
Eh,
the
eh, eh.
careless mistake.
Answer is 112, right?
You know, one time we need this small paper.
His answer is 6.
Easier. So this is the paper tool where you get to use the calculator. You have to use the calculator.
Can I go first?
Yep,
For sure, I got 135.
135. Let's check, okay?
Yes, I got one.
So let's check. So Ahmad baked 3 types of muffin. We have the chocolate, the strawberry, and the vanilla. So CSV. The ratio is 6 is to 3 is to 5 for a school fun fair. I read this as unfair. School unfair. School fun fair. So he baked. This is a problem of reading too fast. Okay. So he baked 630 muffins altogether. Now, what is the total number of units here? 6 by 3 by 5, 14. So 14 units represents 630 muffins.
630 divided by 14.
Yeah, what is
45.
45?
45 times 3 equals
155.
155. Please.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so you read properly, you'll be fine. Next one. The figure below is a square made of 4. Yeah, we're gonna skip him, right? Find the area of the shaded part. Yeah. What do you get? 120. This one is 120. Okay, so we have 4 square made of 4 rectangles. So they are all rectangles.
Yes. And then
Find the area. Okay, if this is 24, that means
oh my god, you went like this.
this is 12. This is 12, right? Look. Hey, don't look at each other. Look here. So this is 12. This is 12. What is this side? What is this side? This side. 168 divided by 12. 7. 7. Are you sure? 168 divided by 12. Huh?
84 divided by this I did.
Wait, 1.
144.
It's 14. So here is 14. This is 14. So if this is 14 and this is square, this must be 10. So one box must be 10 times 12.
Because you said put in single form.
Huh? 120.
And you put 7.
120 is correct. Okay, so 120 is correct. Everyone, did everyone get it? Yeah. Okay, 1 person got it. 2 person got it.
Yeah, wait.
Next one. So read slowly, okay? You'll be fine when you read. Okay, next one. Sally bought 12 meters of lace. Now she used 4 and 1/5 meter of it to decorate a curtain and half meter to decorate some cushion cover. How much was left? So this is easy, right? Take 12 minus 4 and 1/5 minus half. Yeah, half meter. 4 1/5. What? 12 take away 1.5. 4 1/5, sorry. Then take away half. What do you mean? So use your calculator. Yeah, you can. But now you get to use the calculator. Just type out everything, right? What do you get? 4,
I did it a different way.
5, 6, 8, 7 whole and
3 out of 10.
7 whole and this is 5. 2, yeah, 7 whole 3 over 10. 7 whole and 2 over 10. So it's pretty easy. Just subtract. It's minus.
Oh, this I got. It's great. But this one I did.
Right. Yeah, correct. 7 whole 3 over 10. Next one, second last one. All right, Mr. Lee had 3 liters of apple juice. He drank 2/3. How much apple juice was left? So what's left is 1/3. Okay, 1/3 of the apple juice. So you take 1/3 times 3 whole 3 over 5. Okay. 1 whole 1 over 5.
Did you get 2 out of 14?
No, 1 whole 1 over 5.
Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I got. This is the other one.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
It's just 1/3 left. 1/3 of this
Why
left.
you times?
Because it's 1/3 of 3 over 5.
I just minus. I minus.
Minus
You
1.
can do subtraction, but I just times because I'm just trying to find 1/3 of.
Wait, if you do, even I do subtraction, then it's like this.
Yeah.
I just did subtraction.
Why is it 3 minus 2/3?
Because you drank it.
But how about the? Huh?
You drank.
No, he drank 2/3 of the apple juice. It's not 2/3 liters of apple juice, right? So you gotta split it into the fractions, which is 3 parts. So he drank 2 out of 3 parts of the juice. 2 out of 3.
What are you doing? Oh, it's a red pen. Okay.
Okay. Okay, last one.
I got my blood being pink.
Ayo, come on.
It's pink.
Okay, find the area of the triangle. Ho ho. This
I
is
got 13.
okay. We check everyone. 13,
13.
13.
13.
Really?
13.
How do you get 13?
You got 12. Wow.
7,
4.
4.
You got 8. You got 8.
You know, 8.
Okay.
So how to do this? Now let me explain. Okay, you're gonna see something like that. Now the way to do this is not to find the area of this triangle. One more time. They ask you find the area of triangle. So to do this, you cannot find
Find the other triangle.
find the white color one. Find the white color one. 1, 2.
That's how you're supposed to get 13.
Okay, so let's find this triangle. Half times 2 times 2.
Let's do.
Yeah, this 2. And then here, half times 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's like 6.
Half times
That's 4.
2. Huh?
4, 5, 5. It's 5, 5, 6. 6.
Half times 6 times 2.
4.
6. This one is 6.
5. Oh.
And then here, half
So
times.
I'm labeling A, B, C, and you're doing C. I'm saying B right now.
Half
I
times
think B is 4.
is 8. Half
Then
times
6. Then
4
how did
times
you
4.
get 4? 13.
Huh?
7. How did you get 14?
Okay, now what we do is we find the area of the whole thing. What's the area of the whole thing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4,
6 times 4 equals 24.
24.
Huh?
So to find the,
6 times 4.
because here is 6 and here is 4.
Oh.
To find the shaded part, you simply take 24 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8.
So
Equals 13. No?
Huh?
12. 2.
12.
you see? Good job, Richard. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
8?
No, it's 8.
This is 16. Yeah, it's 8. That's it.
I did it. It's so sad because this one I got 4.
Yeah.
Not 8.
So, okay, but you see, the most important thing is do you understand what's going on and how to do?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Very
Okay.
easy.
You know what? It's time to take a short break. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, so if all donuts at $2.50 each, buy 5 get 1 free. Eileen paid $50 for some donuts. How many donuts did she get? Now, if all donuts $2.50 each, if you buy 5, how much does it cost? So we take 5 times $2.50. 12, yeah, 12. Now for $12.50, how many donuts will she get?
5.
No. 5 get 1 free. Who said 4?
6.
6. Do you understand? For $12.50, you'll get 6 donuts because you buy 5, you get 1 free. Got it? Right. So for $50, right? $50, how many donuts will she get? Yeah, you take $50 divided by $12.50. How many groups do you get? You're gonna get some remainder. How many groups?
7.
Is it 7? No, how can it be 7? 4.
This is 7.
$4 for the
No, 4 groups. 4 groups, right? 4 groups.
120.
What's that sweet smell?
48.
Okay, so $50 divided by $12.50, there will be 4 groups. So we have 4 groups of 6. You got it? One group, there are 6 donuts. So 4 groups of 6. So we take 4 times 6. Is it exactly 4? 50 divided by 12.5.
Yeah. Okay, 4. Yeah.
50 divided by 12.5. Yeah, exactly 4. So 4 times 6 equals to 24. So she will get 24 donuts. Okay?
Can I copy the one?
Yeah, please copy this. Okay? Please copy this down. Can't see? What? You all understand? This is the grouping method. Okay, we go grouping.
Mean rounding.
Okay, done.
Rounding, grouping, all different. But you understand, right? Like 5 plus 1, 3. So there's 6 per group. Next one. Is it okay? Okay, next question 7. A rectangular piece of paper was folded to form the shape below. So we fold this part, right? Find the shaded part, the area of the shaded part. So what we can do is if we can draw the rectangle back, the original shape, right? And we know that this part is folded. So where did she fold actually? Where did the person fold this thing?
Person fold this.
Yeah, so it's like downwards, huh? Now if this was 14 cm, what is the original? Because you see she folded this part down, right?
It's 8. 8.
Okay, here is 8. So let's find the area of this triangle. What's the area of this triangle? Half times 8 times 32. Okay, half times times 8 times 32. Because it's 32, right? Equals to what again? 128. So that is one slice of this, right? But when you fold this thing, you get 2 slices. You understand? There's an overlap. So to find the area of the shaded part, you gotta take the area of the whole thing minus twice of this. Yeah, so we take 32 times 32. What's 32 times 32? 704. Next we take 704 minus 2 times of 128. Ija, copy your work.
Equals 564.
564, yeah. So that's the answer. Five, 6, 4. Okay, do you understand the folding part? Fold already, you must do twice. You understand that?
Yeah, but why do we need to times 2?
Because when you fold,
Why can't you just find out the white?
you overlap.
The white area. Find out
No.
the white area, then the white
When
area.
you fold this thing, when this thing is folded in, there's another part that's covered.
Bye-bye.
This part is covered.
Oh, I know.
You fold this one in, right? This part gets covered also. So there's twice.
How come we never use same color? Okay.
Last one for today. Ready? Is it ready? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you see ratio question is easy, right? Ratio of number of stickers Sue has, the number of stickers Claire has is 3 to 7. So Sue is 3, Claire is 7. So Sue has 282. So this is 282. Right, now the question is how many must Claire give so that they have equal number? Now, what's the total? Total number of units? Total number of units is 10.
Units.
Total 10 units, right? If they were to have equal number,
6, 5, 8.
right? Equal number means Sue has 5 units, Claire also 5 units. Equal number. So how many must Claire give to Sue so that Sue has 5? Must give how many? Claire must give how many to Sue to achieve this? We want to achieve 5, 5. 2. So 2 units must be given here. Now 3 units is equivalent to 2A2. This is 3 units, right? So what's 1 unit? 94. Right? So we found that you must give 2 units. So 2 units equals to and 88. So the answer is 188. All right, we're done. Yeah, I'll keep the worksheet. Okay, please write your name if you have not, but I think you all have written your names, right? And remind me to give you 2 ice cream, okay? Or a little one.
Yeah.
All right, that's all.